How to send lives on Candy Crush. Candy Crush can be a very social game if you connect it to your Facebook account. It allows you to keep track of the level your friends are at, as well as ask them for, and send them, lives and boosters. Steps. 1. Sending lives on Candy Crush is a simple process. For you to do this, your friends need to have asked you to send them lives. This request will show up in the right column on your Facebook homepage. 2. Click the link to go directly to the Facebook Candy Crush page. It might take some time for the game to load. 3. Click on the send button next to your friend's name to send them an extra life.